See student, our first lesson is the life cycle of animals. The life cycle of animals. All of you know water cycle. Same here. This is the life cycle of animals. Now see, the life cycle of living thing is different. The life cycle of living thing is different. All of you know two type of living thing. Last year you already learned this. Correct now? Means which one the two types are there? One is a plant and another one is animal. Correct? Now see, this is the life cycle of living thing. Birth. Then what happen? Growth is happen. And the last one, death. This is the life cycle of living thing. Now see here, the some living thing take birth from their mother tummy. Some living thing take birth from their mother tummy. Correct? We all are taking birth from our mother tummy. Correct now? Now see, the some living thing take birth from eggs. Some living thing take birth from eggs. Some animals lay big eggs. In that one what happen? Some animals are there. They lay big eggs. Example see, hen is there, ostrich is there, as well as duck is there. They laying big egg. Okay. And some animals lays very tiny eggs. Some animals lays very tiny eggs. Means the very small eggs are there. Tiny means small. Example see, ant, fish, butterflies and snakes. They lay very small eggs. Then see, in some animal we see similarities between parent and their offspring. See, in some animal we see similarities. Similarities means same. Okay, between parents and their offspring. Offspring means what? Young one, or it is said to be the baby. Means their parent and baby look like a same. Example see, the cow is there, hen is there, human being is there. We all are look like our parent. Correct na? Then this one the hen and this one chicken is there. This one the look like same. But in some animals we can't see similarities between their parents and offspring. Means in some animal what happen? Their parents and their offspring or baby not look the same. Example see, this is a frog and a butterfly. Frog and butterfly. See, in butterfly this is the adult stage. Okay, means full growth is happen. This is the butterfly, and when the small baby is there, this is the caterpillar. Okay, means this both look like the different. Understood? Now see the growth of animals. There are stages of growth in every living being. There are stages of growth in every living being. Growth is visible after birth. Means after birth, which one the growth is happen? This is the visible. Visible means what? We see how this one growth is happen. We are able to see how growth is happen. It is the visible. Means हम देख सकते हैं कि growth कैसे होती है. Okay. Some year growth is happen and finally living being dies. Some year growth is happen and finally living being dies. Some year only growth is happen. Correct now? We are growing in some year and after finally when we are become old, then all living being dies. Understood? See, the lifespan of each and every living thing is different. The lifespan of each and everything is different. Some animals live 125 years, some 80 years, some 15 days, and some only 1 hour. Means this is the lifespan of the different animal. मीन्स वो उतने ही साल जीते हैं. हर एक का लाइफ स्पैन जो होता है वो क्या होता है, डिफरेंट होता है. कोई बहुत ज़्यादा साल जी सकते हैं, कोई बहुत कम. ओके ना. सी द यंग वन हु टेक बर्थ फ्रॉम देयर मदर्स टमी, दे ग्रो एंड फीड ऑन देयर मदर्स मिल्क. सी which one? The young one. They take birth from their mother tummy, they feed or and grow on their mother's milk. But which animal take birth from egg? How can they feed and grow? Anyone tell me, how can they feed and grow? Okay, now I will teach you. See, a chicken is born from an egg. This is the chicken. This one the means born from that one the egg. Means hen lays egg. Hen lays eggs. Then after that one what happen? After laying the eggs, hen sit on her egg and warm the eggs. That process is said to be the hatching egg. That process is said to be the hatching egg. And then after some days, what happen? Means this one the chicken growth happen inside the egg, and afterwards the chick break eggshell and come outside. Afterwards what happen? The chick break eggshell and come outside. All of you understood? Here see the new concept. This is the hatching. Hatch means what? See here. When a hen sit on her egg to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. Correct na? Hatching means what? Warm the eggs. When a hen is hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. Aggressive. See here what happened? When hen hatching her egg, she become aggressive. उसको बहुत गुस्सा आ जाता है क्योंकि उसको डर लगता है कि उसके जो एग्स है वो कोई चुरा ना ले. अंडरस्टूड ना? एंड when she hatching egg, if anybody go there, then she attack anyone who tries to go near the egg. जो एग के पास जाता है उस पर वो क्या करती है? अटैक करती है. बिकॉज शी बिकम फियर. उसको डर लगता है कि उसके जो एग्स है वो कोई चुरा ना ले. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज द हैचिंग प्रोसेस. ओके. Then next one is a metamorphosis. This one we will see in a next lecture. Okay. Before that one, we see the revision. Okay. One more time we see. See, the life cycle of living thing is different. Means each living thing life cycle is different. Birth is there, growth is there, and the death is there. See, this is the life cycle. Some living thing take birth from their mother tummy. Some living thing take birth from their mother tummy. Then some living thing take birth from eggs. Some animal lays big egg. In that one what happen? Some animal are there like hen, ostrich, duck. They lays big eggs. And some animal lays very tiny egg. Likewise ants are there, fish, butterflies, snakes. Okay now. Now see, in some animals we see similarities between parents and their offspring, or it is said to be the young one. Means पेरेंट और उनके जो बेबी होते हैं वो क्या दिखते हैं, सेम दिखते हैं, उसको बोलते इट इज द सिमिलैरिटीज बिटवीन देयर पेरेंट्स एंड देयर ऑफस्प्रिंग. एग्जाम्पल सी काऊ, hen, human being. But in some animal we can't see similarities between their parents and offspring. Means in some animals we can't see the parents and their baby are same. Example, this is the frog and butterfly. All of you understood? Now see the growth of animal. How growth is happen in living thing? There are stages of growth in every living being. मीन्स हम बर्थ लेने के बाद एकदम से बड़े हो जाते क्या? नहीं. मीन्स slowly our growth is happen. Means stages are there. Okay na? Growth is visible after birth. Means after birth growth is visible. We can see how growth is happen. Some year growth is happen and finally living being dies. Some year our growth is happen and afterwards what happen? All living things are there. This one dies. The lifespan of each and every living thing is different. Some animals live 125 years, some 80 years, some 15 days, and some only live 1 hour. The young one who take birth from their mother tummy, they grow and feed on their mother milk. मीन जो अपनी मम्मी की टमी से बर्थ जिनकी होती है उनकी ग्रोथ कैसी होती है? उनके मम्मी के मिल्क पर. ओके ना? बट विच एनिमल टेक बर्थ फ्रॉम एग, हाउ कैन दे फीड एंड ग्रो? देन see, for that one we see the example of chicken. A chicken is born from an egg. Okay, see the first what happen? Hen lays egg. After that she hatching her eggs. Hatching means what? She sit on her eggs and warm that eggs. After some days, in that one egg the full growth of chick is happen and chick break eggshell and come outside. That when hen sitting her eggs and give the warm to that one the eggs, that process is said to be the hatching eggs. When she hatching her eggs, that time she become aggressive because she having fear. Anybody take that one the eggs. All of you understood? Okay, next lecture we will see about the metamorphosis. Thank you.